Here we are in Alaska, Anchorage, Alaska, performing Echo Theater. The first echo will be performed by me, Reginald Featherbottom.
Boo! Buzz!
My second one, Vaginas. Sounds like this.
Vaginas! That was a good one. I heard that one like over there, like behind us.
My second one should be fecal matter. It is very complicated because it is 2 words.
Fecal matter!
That's a good one. Now my second in command, Kenneth Schultz, shall perform a few of his favorite echoes.
This is one that I like to call penis.
Penis! That was 5 of them, bruh. Very good show.
And this one is vulva.
Vulva! What do our judges think? They gave us thumbs up.
Awesome.
Let's see.